Living in Austin means enjoying vibrant neighborhoods, beautiful hill country views, and plenty of sunshine. But it also means dealing with long, hot summers, occasional cold snaps in winter, and everything in between. If your home struggles to stay comfortable during temperature swings, your windows may be part of the issue. Today's modern window technology is designed to handle Austin's climate while improving energy efficiency and indoor comfort. Here's how upgrading your windows can make a noticeable difference throughout the year. Advanced glass for heat control. Austin summers are known for intense heat and strong sun exposure. Older single-pane windows allow a significant amount of heat to enter your home, forcing your air conditioner to work overtime. Modern windows use double or triple pane glass, which creates insulating layers between panes. These layers slow down heat transfer, keeping hot air outside where it belongs. Low emissivity, low E coatings are another major advancement. These nearly invisible coatings reflect infrared heat away from your home while still allowing natural light inside. In summer, this reduces solar heat gain. In winter, it helps reflect interior heat back into the room. For Austin homeowners, this means a cooler home during peak heat without sacrificing brightness. Insulating gas fills improve efficiency between the panes of modern windows. Insulating gases such as argon are often used. These gases are denser than air, which helps minimize heat movement through the glass. In summer, this added insulation keeps indoor temperatures stable. During cooler months, it reduces heat loss and prevents chilly drafts near windows. The result is more consistent comfort in every season. Energy-efficient frames that resist heat. Window frames play a critical role in performance. Older aluminum frames can conduct heat easily, contributing to energy loss. Modern vinyl and fiberglass frames are designed with multi-chambered construction that improves insulation. These materials resist warping and expansion in Austin's high temperatures, maintaining a tight seal around the glass. This durability ensures your windows perform reliably year after year. Improved sealing and weather stripping. Air leaks are a common cause of discomfort. Even small gaps around window frames can allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. Modern windows are built with advanced weather stripping and precision engineering to create a tight seal when closed. Professional installation further ensures proper alignment and insulation. By minimizing drafts, these windows help maintain steady indoor temperatures and reduce strain on your HVAC system. UV protection for interior comfort. Austin's sunshine can be intense, and prolonged exposure to UV rays can fade flooring, furniture, and decor. Modern windows often include UV blocking technology that reduces harmful rays without darkening your rooms. This protects your interior finishes while still allowing you to enjoy natural light. Noise reduction for a quieter home. As Austin continues to grow, traffic and neighborhood activity can increase outside noise. Multi-pane glass and insulated frames also help dampen sound, creating a quieter indoor environment. This added comfort is especially valuable in busy areas or near major roads. Supporting lower energy bills. When windows effectively regulate heat transfer and prevent drafts, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard. Over time, this can lead to noticeable energy savings. Lower monthly utility bills combined with improved comfort make modern windows a smart long-term investment. A year-round upgrade for Austin homes. From scorching summers to occasional winter chills, Austin's climate demands high-performing windows. Modern window technology combines advanced glass, insulating frames, and tight seals to support year-round comfort. If your current windows are outdated or inefficient, upgrading to modern energy-efficient options can transform your home's performance. With improved temperature control, better noise reduction, and enhanced durability, you'll enjoy a more comfortable living space no matter the season.